This video is about specific heat capacity. So first of all, let's talk about what it actually means. Every material is different. And one of the ways materials differ from each other is the amount of energy required to change their temperature, to increase their temperature. So we have a measure for this quantity and we call it specific heat capacity. So in the case of water, if I have a litre of water, if I want to raise its temperature by 1 degree Kelvin or 1 degree centigrade, how much energy is that going to take? Well, that's the property of water, and the number is 4,200 joules. Different materials will have a different specific heat capacity. Okay, so that's first of all what the quantity means. Then we look at how it's applied. Now it's a given number for any material, and in this equation it's the C in E equals mc theta. So if I want to know how much energy required to increase a particular material by a certain amount, well, all I've got to do is multiply the mass of the material by its specific heat capacity, and finally by the temperature change I'm looking for. So if I want to increase it by 20 degrees, then theta is going to be 20. So that's the equation, E equals mc theta, energy, mass, heat capacity, and change in temperature. Thanks very much for watching.